Why does bad stuff happen to good people? A frequently asked question. I'd like to discuss inherited karma. Now, call it what you will, we're going to term it inherited karma. Ultimately, this is an energetic influence that you bring with you on your soul's journey. We talk about being conditioned as the pristine light that you are. However, sometimes we are incarnated with some residue from other lifetimes. And this is often reflected in things that happen in our life that seem a little more unfair than usual. What happens is the DNA has an energetic charge, it's a frequency, and that karma is attached to that DNA. Therefore, the DNA is affected in its frequency because of this incarnation. Now, it's not necessarily a bad thing, it's just all part of the same soul's evolution. What we need to understand, though, is if we are recognizing that we continually come against these untoward circumstances and have an extremely challenging life, maybe it's not so much your past conditioning in this particular life. In fact, it could be inherited karma. All we need to do here is recognize it the same as we would any other past conditioning and shed light into the darkness, become aware, become conscious of what is actually going on. And then whether it's a past life, a parallel life, or past experience from childhood, it's just a moment in time where a thought happened, where a particular energetic charge existed, which means we can change the energy because it's just energy, or it is energy, whichever which way you'd like to look at it. So being aware of the patterns, of the signs of the universe, of your own physical ailments, of your own emotional experiences, all of these add up to creating an understanding of what your frequency is. What are you vibrating at? Because whatever that is, you'll be attracting more of it. And that is your incentive to become aware or conscious of any inherited karma or passed down trauma or earlier childhood issues. Same thing, kind of similar. I would say it's similar, not so much the same thing, yet the process to transform the energy is the same. It's simply to become aware of the different ways our soul can play out its part to expand universal consciousness, to create a more exciting, pleasurable, joyful, loving world.